Guys, look at Oreo here. Oh my god. He's so cute.
That's weird. He's not eating the corn. He's just hanging out. He's just hanging out with us.
Yeah, we're right here, guys. Like,
and this is the little baby right here.
yeah, hold on. I'll get to her in a second.
Little baby. I think you were born very late.
Yeah, she is like really freaking tiny.
Yeah. But you're so cute. Come here, baby. Baby,
no.
come here.
Oh no.
Hey.
Leave her alone. God. And then we got our duckies here. Oh, there's Oreo. Hop back up.
Oreo. Hi, buddy.
Oreo, when the sun hits them, neck's really pretty with red. It's like purple and red head.
Baby.
Look at him.
Come here. Come on, baby.
Look, Oreo came back. He's under right now with the other. I just got a goose stomping.
Yeah.
All right. I didn't know where you went, Oreo. You got me scared.
Stop it.
You were down there a long time.
I'm gonna get this goose. Yep.
Oreo. Oreo. He's so cute. He's like a double stuffed Oreo.
Look, there's a Ruddy over here too, with everybody. Oh. Oh, Ruddy. Hi, buddy. Ruddy. Oh, there's a couple of them over here. Holy shit. Hi, guys.
I didn't know
Me either. How about that? Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy. Little Ruddy. All right, see ya.